In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for ticketing. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable help desk setup built from a template so your team can track requests consistently and resolve issues faster. First, head to your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're signed in and in the correct workspace for your team. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check the logo or workspace name in the top left to confirm you're in the right place. This matters because the structure you set up folders, lists, and automations will live in the workspace you're currently viewing. Next, open the space where you want ticketing to live and click Templates. Spaces are the best level for a help desk because they give you a single home for tickets, views, and reports. If your support team already has a dedicated space, use that. If not, choose the space where support work naturally belongs. You'll find templates in the space toolbar or menu. Opening it here ensures whatever you apply is scoped to this space and stays organized with the rest of your team's work. Now, in the template library, search for Help Desk. You'll see a variety of options. Look for a template that includes statuses, custom fields, and views tailored for ticketing. Use the preview to check what's included. Common statuses like New, In Progress, Waiting, and Closed. Helpful fields such as Priority, Category, Impact, and Requester. Plus views like Board and List. Picking a template that already matches how your team triages work will save you time. Before you save the template, customize its controls. This is where you shape the workflow to fit your process. Adjust statuses to match your lifecycle. Keep them simple and meaningful. Review custom fields and remove anything you won't use. Then add essentials like request type or urgency if they're available. Set default assignees or teams to route new tickets to the right people. Confirm priorities and colors so they're easy to scan. If the template offers options for dependencies, checklists, or recurring tasks, enable only what's useful to avoid clutter. Finally, give the template a clear name that reflects your team, like It Help Desk, Support Space, so it's easy to recognize later. When everything looks right, save and apply the template to the space. That's it. Your space now has a ready-to-use ticketing structure. Keep refining as you learn fewer statuses, clear fields, and consistent naming will make tickets easier to track and close. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new ClickUp Help Desk.